Hey, what's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back and we're going to be looking at some new earbuds that I just got in from the company Vankyo. These are the Alpha X200 true wireless earbuds, and we're going to be checking these out right now. As I mentioned, these are true wireless earbuds from the company Vankyo. First thing I want you to notice is the actual casing of this. This casing is actually a 3500 milliamp hour power pack. So it's going to charge through micro USB, which most people are using USB Type-C at this point, but it does have micro USB connectivity, and you are going to be able to connect this to your other devices to actually charge them up. Right out of the box, you're going to get the charging cable that you have right here. This is USB to micro USB. You're going to get an adapter, which is USB to micro USB, which I wish this had been like USB to USB Type-C, since most of our devices now, like I said, use that USB Type-C connector. You get 3 sets of ear tips, and you have a set of ear tips already on the device. And then you get the basic instructions. I think they're still in the box. But what's notable about these is these earbuds are multi-function. They're easy to set up and pair. They actually have voice assistant built right into them. So you'll be able to use your Siri, your Google, your Alexa at just a simple command. They're actually IPX8 water resistant, so that means they can get a little wet in the rain, and they are actually sweat resistant as well. They have smart touch control, which we'll go over in just a little bit. They got big hi-fi stereo sound, 120 hours. Yes, 120 hours of power built into this case. And each of these earbuds is going to give you 7.5 hours of playback time. So these headphones are going to be really good for when you're just sitting around the house. You don't have anything to do. You're maybe on your iPad, just doing some work, casual things. You just take them, you pop them in your ear. Nothing to worry about. Everything is going to be good to go with these. As far as pairing these up, you're going to open the case, and it actually reveals each earbud right there, and they automatically go into a pairing mode once you open them up. And if you notice right here on the front, you actually have that LED monitor. It's going to tell you how much life your case has, and that's basically it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take these out, and I'm going to pair these up with my phone just to see what they sound like and see what kind of quality we're going to get with these. So let's check that out. So right here I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm going to actually connect these to this device. Now what's notable is this is going to connect through Bluetooth 5.0, so it's going to actually work well with your newer devices, iPhones, Samsungs, Android, as well as Apple. You're going to get good connectivity, good quality sound. I'm going to actually just go into my Bluetooth settings, and like I said, you're just going to open this up, take one out, pop it in your ear. And it actually popped up on the screen already. So if you can see right here on my screen, Alpha X200, I'm going to select that. And I get a little ding in my ear, letting me know that I am connected. Now, the fit on these is really snug. It feels good in the ear. There seems to be no issue. Now, it's not going to have a fit test like the AirPods would, but let's check out this sound quality. So I'm going to go out of here, and I'm going to play a song, a little Earth, Wind, and Fire. Now, what's notable about these is that they have built-in sound control and controls right here on this touchpad. So that's why they're called Smart Touch earbuds. So once you double tap, you're going to skip songs. If you long press on the right, you're going to increase the sound, which is awesome. I like that feature. A one tap is going to actually stop the song. If you tap again, it should start the song back up. Perfect. On the left ear, I'm going to make sure the left ear is connected. So left ear is actually connected, and it's playing outside of my ear. So if I actually double tap on the left ear, it's going to go back a song. So let's just demonstrate that. Tap again. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Got to do it quick. Trying to go back a song. There we go. So it actually went back a song. You just got to kind of do it really quick. And to go down on the volume, gonna long press on the left. And if you notice, the volume is decreasing right there. So that's an awesome feature to have on earbuds, because most earbuds that now you can't connect or you can't control the volume through the actual earbud itself. So that's an awesome feature that they built into this, and I really like that factor. These are noise canceling headphones as well, so you're not going to hear everything going on around you. So if you're at the gym, want to get a good workout in, put these in, you can drown out all the sound that you hear in the gym. So super small, really ergonomic. They fit in the ear canal really nicely. They got a good function about them. They got a good feel, a nice weight. Now, the only thing, this case is a little heavy. Has a huge battery in it, so it is a little heavy. But these earbuds are nice, compact, and they fit in the ear extremely well. Bluetooth 5.0, you're only going to pay about $50 for these devices. They actually have LED lights on them. What more can I say? It's a well-rounded device, and the sound that you get from this is major. You're going to get nice highs. You get those clear, crisp snares with the sounds. You're going to get deep basses. Everything sounds good. Everything is a go with the Vankyo Alpha X200. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I will be sure and drop a link below to this device so you can check it out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.